So this question is all about using algebra and making sure that we handle it correctly. So in that first one that they've given you, if a is 0, well 2a is also 0, therefore we're just looking at 5b equals 30. Now in all algebra you must do the same to both sides. So if we're trying to find b, and we've got 5b, we need to divide both sides by 5. So we get b equals 30 over 5, and therefore b equals 6. Now, if we look at the next one, a equals 5, we've got 2a again, so 2a equals 10. If we put that into our equation, we get 10 plus 5b equals 30. Now that 10 on the left is a bit inconvenient, so we need to lose it. We do that by subtracting 10 from both sides, so we get 5b equals 30 minus 10, or 5b equals 20. And then just like we did at the top, we divide, to get b, we divide both sides by 5. 5b divided by 5 is b, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And on the last one, a is 15, so 2a is going to be 2 times 15, which is 30. This is a slightly interesting example because it says 30 plus 5b equals 30. To get to b, once again, we need to take 30 of both sides. That will give us 5b on its own equals 30 minus 30. So 5b must be 0, which means that b must be 0. 2 marks.